Hello learners, I hope you remember what we studied in the previous lecture about numbers. So let's move further in our journey to decode this topic. We will today solve the numericals to wrap the chapter on a strong note. So the first question says, what is the successor of the greatest 6-digit number? Now the greatest 6-digit number is going to be 999, 99 and 9. And successor is if I'm going to add 1 to it. And this is going to form what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This number, which is nothing but the smallest 7-digit number. Hence the required successor is this, which is nothing but 10 lakhs. So let's move to next question. Next question says, what is the place value of 7 in 1743? So let's write 1743 in its expanded form. So 1743 is nothing but 1000 plus 700 plus 40 plus 3. So the place value of 7 is going to be nothing but 700. Hence the place value of 7 is what? 700, and this is the answer. Next question says, write 438 in its expanded form. So can I write 438 as 400 plus 30 plus 8? That is 4 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 8 into 1. So this is the expanded form of the number 438. Next question is, write the greatest 5-digit number using the digits 4, 2 and 0. So the greatest 5-digit number using these digits is going to be what? 44420. Correct? We actually have to write the greatest 5-digit number. And this is the greatest 5-digit number, that is 44,420. So let's move on to the next question. Next question says the capacity of a water tanker is 300 liters. And we have to express it in milliliters. So I know that 1 liter is nothing but 1000 ml, right? So 300 liters is going to be what? 300 into 1000 ml, right? So this is going to be nothing but 3 lakh ml. And hence the capacity of water tanker is what? 3 lakh milliliters. So we have reached the end of our discussion. Hope you found that helpful. Now you can visit EduRev to attempt the respective tests so as to check your understanding of the topic. You can also find more amazing content on other subjects like social studies and science and whatnot. So what are you waiting for? Go and check it out. Also, stay tuned for more amazing videos. Thank you.